Today I wanna make a great mask with egg white. As you know, egg white is one of the best ingredients for facial mask. Egg whites are rich in protein and it keeps your skin young and fresh. If you have oily skin with large pores and acne, be sure to try this mask. First of all, separate the egg white from the yolk. Now we need an electric beater. In the first stage, the mixture will be very foamy. Continue beating until the mixture is firm. If you turn the bowl upside down, the egg whites won't fall out. Cut a lemon in half and add to the mixture. Now add some honey to it and mix it with fork. Use your fingers to apply the mask to the whole face. Be sure to wash your hands before using the mask. After 20 minutes, wash your face with cold water. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until the next time.